Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are many products available vacuum cleaner to choose, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best cordless vacuum cleaner from reputable good brands. After much research I found the product. These products are very helpful and interesting for people. If you want to know about the price and more information of product, watch the full video.